Hello. This is the way all the editing happens. Take a look.
First one, chicken.
Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell.
Cooking session again for today.
Oh really?
Pork giniling.
Pork giniling.
Pork giniling.
Wow. Pork giniling with quail eggs. Come on.
Let's go.
Pork giniling with quail eggs. First of all, boil that quail eggs. The ingredients, and we have the green, red, bell pepper, and also the yellow, red, green.
Main ingredient for today.
Boiling it. Remove the bad fat.
Using this.
Cubicle size. Potato cubicle size.
Tomato.
For spaghetti. Giniling.
Giniling.
Giniling pork. Explain pork.
Minced pork. Garlic. Onion.
Okay.
Red bell pepper. Yellow bell pepper. Berdeng bell pepper. At dilaw na patatas. Potato, yeah. Carrot. Quail eggs.
Yeah. Sounds interesting. Let's go. Long story short, first of all,
Minced pork.
whoa. Leave it for 20 minutes.
See you later, guys.
Yes.
With the medium fire, close it.
This. A little.
Put some soy sauce. Pork cube. And one need to grind.
Black pepper.
And if you feel tired, guys, cheating. Oh.
Express powder.
Shortcut, guys. Little salt. This is the time, guys.
Close it.
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
See you later.
Okay.
The carrot. 5 minutes.
Potato.
Together with the carrot. 5 minutes.
Bell peppers.
Yeah, all the bell pepper.
Yeah. Quail eggs. 5 minutes to go.
A little.
MS. 5 minutes. Tikiman time.
Sajang.
This is the moment special today with quail egg. Pork giniling with quail eggs. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Is it masarap?
Healthy, masarap. Some, quail because of the quail eggs.
Yeah.
Delightful feeling. Mwah. We did a previous video using quail eggs with the salmon.
Yeah.
If you guys want to watch that video, click the top left button if you want to watch the sinigang na salmon with the quail eggs. Also eggs.
I want to eat with rice.
Oh, okay. Eat with rice. Let's go.
Guys, kain tayo. Kain na.
Come, let's join us. Yeah.
Masarap iluto ito sa ihain, lalo sa pagdating sa hapagkainan, sama-sama kayong kakain. At very healthy siya, lalo na sa mga kids. Because plenty of gulay.
Gulay, vegetable, and also malim nam nam.
Oh, malinam na.
Malim nam nam. And always, when my body cook, it's always laging masarap.
Very masarap.
Wow.
Thank you for appreciating
What's the word? Hasta la vista. Whoa. Woo.
So guys,
Yes, guys.
thank you for watching again.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming
Yes,
salamat.
maraming salamat.
At
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe.
bye.
Okay, see you. Alright.